Rajiv, I heard that you are quitting army, and as we spoke earlier, I'm so happy that you are getting into new business, new opportunities, and I'm really glad that you have done a service to our country, and all the best to you. And we'll meet soon. Please keep in touch and wherever you are. And Rajiv, I just want to say one thing that I really admire whatever you do or what you have done in past also. I know you're a rock star and you'll rock. Thank you, dear.
Rajiv, this is Ragini, and good luck for your bright future.
Hi Rajiv, congratulations for the completion of first inning and all the best for the second inning. Though I was waiting for you to come to Jodhpur, but before that you took your decision. Anyways, wish you a successful and happy life. Bye dear.
Hi uncle, I'm Aditi Anand. We've never met, but I've heard of you a lot from my father. Wish you a happy retirement life. Please do visit Chennai and we'll surely meet. Thank you.
Hi Raju, very good evening, bro. I heard today is your last working day with Indian Army. I welcome you to the civil life. It has its own challenges, and as compared to a very disciplined life that you have led so far. I hope it's been a very difficult decision to leave Indian Army, which you might have thought and put your plans in place before you have taken this decision. Welcome once again to this very challenging civilian life. You can reach out to me or to any of your friends for any kind of help that you need at any point of time. And please try to spend as much time as possible with your family. My namaskaram to Auntie ji, Uncle, Bhabhi ji, and love to Karthik. Karthik is a son, if I'm right. And please do visit Chennai. We will definitely catch up. Now you have a special request from my daughter as well. So please do visit, and then we'll definitely meet. Thank you, bro. Have a wonderful life ahead, and we will looking forward to meet you soon. Bye.
Hi Rajiv, congratulations. You've been promoted to the retirement stage of your life. May this next chapter of life brings you endless time to do the things you always loved. Hope your retirement is as rocking as you imagined it would be. Good luck for your second innings, dear. Take care. Bye.
My dear friend Rajiv, ब्रेवेस्ट ऑफ द ब्रेव, हम सब में तुमने वो किया जो हम सब कोई ना कर पाया. यू डेडिकेटेड half of your life for the country. You you worked in toughest of the toughest situations and faced the toughest enemies in this world and kept all of us safe and secure. As saying goes, once a soldier, always a soldier. जिस तरह तुमने अपनी फर्स्ट इनिंग में नाम, शोहरत, प्राउड फीलिंग पाई है, आई विश कि आपका तुम्हारा सेकेंड इनिंग भी उतना ही, उससे उतना या उससे और अधिक अच्छा हो. यू फील प्राउड ऑफ वट एवर यू आर डूइंग, वट एवर यू आर प्लानिंग टू डू इन योर फ्यूचर, एंड आई विश यू सक्सेस. थैंक यू.
डियर राजीव, आज जैसे ही मुझे ये सूचना मिली कि मेरा मित्र आज आर्मी से रिटायर हो रहा है, एक पल के लिए थोड़ा दुख भी हुआ. मेरी इच्छा थी कि आगे भी आपको मैं अन्य पदों पर, बड़े पोस्टों पर देखूं. खैर कोई बात नहीं, आपने अपने जीवन में एक महत्वपूर्ण समय देश सेवा में लगाया, उसके लिए बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं. रिटायर होने के बाद जीवन के इस दूसरे पड़ाव में आपको खूब सारी सफलताएं, खूब सारी खुशियां नसीब हों, ऐसा मैं ईश्वर से प्रार्थना करता हूं. सल्यूट करता हूं अपने दोस्त को जिसने आर्मी में रहकर देश सेवा में अपना महत्वपूर्ण योगदान दिया. बाय राजीव.
Hey Rajiv, it must be an emotional day for you since you had such a long association with the army, and moving away from your fellow mates, your colleagues won't be that easy, and specifically those long traditional farewell speeches, but I'm sure you will handle. We all can understand your feelings since you loved army a lot, was particularly proud of the fact of being an army officer. Must be a nostalgic moment. Won't say much, we'll just say all the best for your future endeavors. May you excel in whatever you venture into. Good luck.
हाय राजीव भाई, कैसा है भाई? हाँ पता है भाई, सब बढ़िया है. यू आर हैप्पी भाई. समझ नहीं आ रहा है कहाँ से शुरू करूँ. सो टुडे आज तो बस इतना ही कहूँगा भाई. विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर सेकेंड इनिंग एंड सून वी विल मीट एंड बहुत सारी बातें करेंगे. So once again, wish you all the best for yourself, for your family. Stay safe. Take care. Thank you. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Hey Colonel, good evening. How was the day? I know that it had been a tough day for you, full of emotions. Hope you have enjoyed your farewell evening. Congratulations for completing the Indian Army services. And buddy, one thing. We are really proud of you for your selfless contributions to the nation. Buddy, whenever you feel we can be your assistants, we can be your support, give us a shout, we'll be there. And all the very best for your future endeavors.
Hi Rajiv, how are you doing? It's a new milestone that you have achieved today. You must have had a remarkable experience being part of the most prestigious wing of the Indian Army. Your achievements have been unparalleled during the years donning the uniform and always leading from the forefront. As they say, once a soldier, always a soldier. I'm sure you'll continue to tread the path of your new calling with the same zeal and enthusiasm. The passion that you have for perfection in all that you do will take you higher on the ladder of success. As you embark on this new journey, here's wishing you the very best of everything. Good luck and best wishes, mate. Cheers to the magic of new beginnings.